Hey guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. And today I am here to talk to you about ribbon storage. And as you can see from right in front of me, over here on top of my ink pads and over here in a stack, I store my ribbons in our Stampin' storage open storage cubes. So as you can see, you can stack them on top of each other or up here pop them side to side. So for me they are perfect because they are right here on my desk where I craft, and I can see what I have. I can go, oh, will that color match that project? And they're here ready to audition or ready to use and pop straight away, so I don't have so much mess on my desk. This has been one of the most fantastic options I have had for my ribbon, rather than a bucket or a basket on my desk. And to close our open storage cubes, you can either use a plain storage lid, or over here I have used a storage topper, which also has storage on the top. So you can see there I've got some shimmer paint and some of my re-inkers in there. For more information about our Stampin' storage cubes, please check out the links below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. And also, if you're interested in these products that we put in our storage, you can also contact me as well. Till next time, bye.